See the kiln? So the Flying Monkey, we're coming up into the Flying Monkey, right?
Yeah, the Flying Monkey Art Store. And if I get in the way, and let them know if they want me to, if they want to talk to somebody about it.
Yeah, that'd be awesome.
I'm more than willing to come up there. Actually, save on gas. Just ride up the gas.
So this is a record company you guys have housed in the building?
Oh, no, it's a record store. Actually.
Record store? Okay. So a lot of these are artist spaces, but others are in our stores as well.
Right. This is Hispanic. They do custom hats. Generally, they go on, tour schedules, stuff like that. This is a thrift store in Colorado, and that's run by Cheryl, which is one of the original people in the monkey. This is Fred Bread. Baker actually operates out of downtown. This is the storefront. Yoga studio.
I like how all the doors, they've just sort of patched together their own little style.
Yeah, everybody's got their own kind of vibe.
Like that, you see they put, their wall is just the roofing, and then other people just have plywood for walls.
Right.
And different kinds of doors. Oh, check that out. What is that? Okay, so this is just the second floor of 3 floors, right?
I know.
We also have an Alabama Film Co-op right here, and they do what they call workshops.
This place is really cool. There's a theater that we're going to see in a little bit too.
Right. Actually, if you want, well, no, it's just right here. But you remind me to do the video of the theater too. This is the first floor.
First floor.
Yeah, this was just recently completed. This is markedly different, obviously, than the second floor. All of this is already fronted out, and they have also a lot of constraints on what people can do to the outside of the space. So personally, I'm more of a fan of the second floor just because you can customize a little bit more. Maybe more of a creative vibe.
Yeah,
but still, I mean, it's very cool down here too. Just not as built in.
A lot of these are shops people can shop in as well, right?
Every one of these is a shop that people can shop in. We've got photographers, we've got furniture makers, painters, photographers, jewelry makers. So.
Okay, there's a restaurant here. Connie Ulrich. There is a filmmaking collective in there that owns a Red One camera. And this is a printing press. You see they make show prints on machines such as that. And then they have an actual old, I don't know if you can see it, it's really dark in there, but actually an old typesetting machine. Stained glass studio and cigar box guitar makers.
Right.
You said you do a festival every year. Do people just come and play?
Actually. Right there. You know Him for Her?
I don't know that, I guess.
Him for Her. She plays a cigar box
Not she and him, but him for her.
Him for her, yeah.